we are getting celebrations in Bengal. We are also getting celebrations in Andhra, where Akshita Nandgopal, our star reporter anchor, is waiting. Akshita, you know that part of the country better than most, Vijayawada. And there is quite a story playing out there, because suddenly Andhra Pradesh is going to play a key role almost 20 years after it last did so. Because these numbers, if they hold, Chandrababu Naidu will be an important ally. What's the mood out there? Does Andhra Pradesh see that back to Babu with Amravati as the capital?
Well, it's a mega comeback. It's a mega comeback. I'm just kilometers away from Amravati, but I'm in the TDP office, and you can see the kind of celebrations here as well, Rajdeep. There are scores of TDP workers who've gathered here. Many of them have been waiting for quite some time to have a chance to speak also to both you and Rahul. Give you their message essentially. Tell me, are you happy with the results that have come in? You got a sweep by Chandrababu.
So happy with the results which has been released till now. People have again trusted the Chandrababu Naidu's governance.
But why? Why is Chandrababu Naidu been chosen?
Actually, past 5 years, there is no development, there is no capital, there is no education. People are 100% fed up with this psycho ruling. That's why 100.
So, whatever the promises which we have made to the people of Andhra, we are going to fulfill, and we are going to make one more top state in the world.
Okay.
See, we came from very different places, from Chennai, Bangalore to vote, and we are still here. See, my friends came from USA to be here and see the election result. CBN is a very visionary leader. He will make AP very good. The Jagan, who is ruling from these last 5 years, he destroyed everything. And this win is very good win for us. It's very good for us.
We are waiting for CBN 4.0, and CBN is going to rebuild.
Okay.
One last thing. We are coming with a very good capital. Remember the name Amravati. This will be the great capital. This will be the great capital in India. This is a very good capital in India.
CBN 4.0 is the message here. Chandrababu Naidu is expected to come down here at some time from now. Just move aside, please. I'll just show them quickly what's happening outside as well, Rajdeep, and then I'll toss it back to you in the studio. Because Chandrababu Naidu, Nara Lokesh, all are going to be coming down here for a mega celebration of sorts in about 1 hour from now. And you can see the crowds that have gathered all across this entire area, all watching the results very, very closely. They couldn't be more thrilled right now with the numbers that are coming in, both in the assembly and in the parliament election, because they're seeing right now a complete sweep by Chandrababu Naidu and co, because both Janasena and BJP have also ensured that they've kind of carried their weight in this mega alliance. Back to you in the studio.
All right.
Yeah, go ahead, Preeti.
All right. Akshita, at least for now, it does seem that the question of the capital is settled.
Yeah. Absolutely. Amravati for the capital?
Yes.
All of you?
100%.
100%?
100% Amravati.
So you're Rajdeep. Chandrababu Naidu.
CM Babu or PM? They're saying PM Babu or CM Babu?
The interesting part is that Chandrababu Naidu wanted a state capital. He make it the national capital.
Let's not go ahead of ourselves.